Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Clara Z. So I have a really quick unboxing today. So I just wanted to do this really quick unboxing. So I ordered from Hermes.com online. As some of you know, I'm not really doing the journey anymore. But if I see anything I really want that I don't have to do pre-spend on, I would purchase it. And I saw this online and it's something that I've been eyeing for quite a while. So as you can see from the box, you probably can guess what it is. So the packaging came in this brown box, and as usual in Hermes style, it came in this box. So let's do the unboxing together. So can you guess what combination I got? That's right. It is the Pegasus on a black on black. I know this is not easy to get, so as soon as I saw it online, I jumped on it right away. It will basically go with everything, and I love that it's black so it won't get dirty, and it's a bit more subtle because it's black and it's not as noticeable. So yeah, quite happy with this purchase online. What do you think? Have a great day, everyone, and see you next time. Bye bye now.